Have you ever wondered why your in-app transactions seem to magically appear? Do they pull themselves out of thin air? Let's dive into the mystery of in-app's transaction fetching process. Imagine in-app as a detective, always on the lookout for clues about your spending habits. But unlike a human detective, in-app doesn't need a magnifying glass or a trench coat. It relies on a powerful tool called transaction syncing. Explaining transaction syncing. Transaction syncing is essentially in-app's way of connecting with your financial institutions. It's like a digital handshake where in-app and your bank agree to exchange information regularly. When you link your bank account to in-app, you're giving in-app permission to fetch your transaction data. The syncing process. So, how does it actually work? Well, in-app uses a secure connection to your bank servers. It sends a request asking for your latest transactions. The bank then responds by sending over a list of transactions that have occurred since the last sync. In-app receives this data and automatically categorizes it based on your budgeting rules. Factors affecting sync frequency. The frequency of these syncs can vary depending on a few factors. Your bank's policies. Some banks may have limitations on how often you can access your transaction data. In-app settings. You can adjust the sync frequency in in-app settings to suit your preferences. Network connectivity. A strong internet connection is essential for smooth syncing. Common syncing issues. Even though transaction syncing is generally reliable, there can be occasional hiccups. Here are some common issues and how to address them. Delayed syncing. If your transactions aren't appearing immediately, check your internet connection and ensure your bank account is linked correctly. Missing transactions. If you're missing transactions, try resensing your account or contacting your bank to verify the data. Incorrect categorization. If in-app is categorizing transactions incorrectly, double-check your budgeting rules and adjust them as needed. The benefits of transaction syncing. Transaction syncing offers several advantages. Real-time updates. You can see your spending as it happens. Accurate budgeting. Your budget is always up to date, helping you make informed financial decisions. Time saving. Manual entry of transactions is eliminated. In-app's transaction syncing feature is a powerful tool that simplifies budgeting and financial management. By understanding how it works and addressing potential issues, you can make the most of this feature and take control of your finances. So, the next time you see your transactions magically appear in in-app, remember that it's a result of this clever syncing process. If you're not already using in-app, give it a try and experience the benefits of effortless budgeting. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy budgeting.